After the grid is cut, draw the crop frame in the software. The crop frame needs to frame the grid all together. Click to find grid. Step 1. Remove stray lines. Select the stray lines and click Delete on the keyboard to remove them. Step 2. Find the broken line. Each line in each column and each line in each row needs to be a complete line. Like this. If it's blue on top and red on the bottom like this, it's a broken line. If you can't find the broken line with the naked eye, there are 2 ways to find the broken line. Select all horizontal lines without touching the vertical lines next to each other. Move the mouse to the center of the grid too. Pull out the horizontal lines. Then you can clearly see where the broken lines are and remember where it is located. Click Undo. Connect the disconnected lines. In the same way, select all the vertical lines. Move them out to find the broken lines. Remember the location of the broken line. Click Undo. Then connect the broken lines. Click on this icon. Select all vertical lines in the same way. The thickness of the line segments can be used to identify broken lines. Click on this icon and it will back to its original form. Click on the following icon again and select all the horizontal lines in the same way. The thickness of the line segments can be used to identify broken lines. Click on this icon and it will back to its original form. Step 3. Connect the line. Select one of the broken lines and hold down the keyboard Control. Don't let your hands go. Use the mouse to select another broken line and press S. Then a line is connected. Broken lines can all be connected in this way. Click on this icon. Select a broken line and zoom in to find its frontmost endpoint. Pull it out a little. Select the other broken line and zoom in to find its frontmost endpoint. Pull it out a little. Select these two endpoints. Click on this icon to consolidate. After the connection, then select 2 points. Click keyboard Delete to delete the 2 points. Will become a straight line. After all the broken lines are connected, select them all to see if the total number of lines is correct. Count selected equals row num plus column plus 2. If there's a stray spot like this that can't be found with the naked eye, incorrect number of lines can know that there are stray lines, but cannot find the location of the stray lines. Using method 1 of finding stray lines, pull out all the horizontal lines and all the vertical lines. Then frame the screen to find the location of the stray line, according to the range indicated by the blue frame. Remember the location of the stray lines and click Undo to find and remove them. If the total number of lines is okay, click on Calibrate